Hi everyone, today we're here to talk about the benefits of buying a home. And we're going to do that right now. Hi everyone, it's EricHarris, your veteran realtor with Harris Homes with Keller Williams. Here today we're going to talk about why the benefits of buying a home. Number one, you put money back into your pocket, not somebody else. So when you're renting, typically you're paying somebody else's mortgage payment and not your own. You want to make sure that you're paying your own mortgage because buying a home is basically a flexible savings account. As the market goes up and down, that's why it's a flexible savings account, because it'll go up and down with the market, the equity that you have in a home. If you don't know what equity is the difference between how much you own a home and how much the home is valued for. And as the market goes up and down, that value will change. Therefore, I call it a flexible savings account. Number two, the benefit of buying a home is in case of emergencies. With the equity that you have in this home, if something comes up, say like COVID, you will be able to take out a loan on your home where you can use that money to pay for extra things that you have to take care of. Number three, now if you're like me, I bought my home 6 years ago, so I built a lot more equity. Now, you'll never know how much equity goes up and down. It just goes with the flow of when you buy the home. So you can never guarantee when this is gonna happen, but eventually it will happen. And when it does happen, if the interest rate drops, I am actually refinancing on my home, where since the interest rate came down, I'm also able to cash out on that equity that I have in my home, which means they're gonna cut me a check for the difference that I'm putting in. They're gonna add that to my loan. So I had a $250,000 loan on my home. That's how much it cost. And now I'm borrowing $70,000 on top of that. So when I refinance, my new loan will be about $340,000. Now that's putting a lot of money on a home, but when you break that up over a 30-year period, my monthly payment is only gonna increase by $200, but I'm paying off $70,000 in debt. Sounds good, doesn't it? Even better is this money is gonna save me, say I'm putting about $2,000 a month on debt alone. Now I'm just gonna be paying $200 more on my mortgage, which saves me $1,800 in my pocket a month. You see the benefit in that? Hope so. So these are the three things that can benefit you when you're buying a home. Emergency funds, put money into your own pocket, and hey, refinance, pay off debt, make a lower payment, save more money in your pocket that way. If you got any more tips like this, make sure you look at the more videos with the links below, and see you soon.